We are currently receiving countless reports of a strange specimen killing people in China and Taiwan. The specimen appears to be heading to the coasts of North Vietnam. The specimen is referred to as hungry ghost in folklore stories. Hungry ghost is a spirit, often born from negative karma, that suffers from insatiable hunger and thirst. It appears that it thrives in environments defined by unfulfilled desire, greed, addiction. We order citizens of Vietnam to stay home, lock all doors and windows, and do not try and kill the specimen and wait for further instructions. If one manages to break into your home, refrain from any kind of communication or contact with the threat. These intelligent specimens utilize elements of psychological warfare to take advantages of their victims. Before we return to scheduled TV broadcasts, remember to protect your family from dangerous threats, wait for further instructions from the Vietnamese government, and do not interact with the specimen. We may return to your scheduled TV broadcasts shortly.